shit! Holy shit!
Corre para acá, papi, viste, te lo estoy diciendo, Dios mío.
Ay, pinga.
Ay, Dios mío.
Pero qué pinga es. Vamos a ver.
Papi, cuidado.
Espérate.
Ay, Dios mío, señor.
Pinga, hacer. Cojones.
Mira la cantidad de gente cogiendo candela, papi.
No, es pinga.
Yeah, there's a vehicle down on the runway where I saw the parts down there, Scott. Come down a little bit. All right, right there in the middle of your screen. I was seeing something burning down there and something on the runway right in that area. Go to your right. Right there. See where that vehicle is? Right in that area there. Come down some, no, come down. Come down some more. Is there marks in the grass there? No, push in right where you are on that grassy area. Yeah, there's debris right there. Look at all that debris there. Yeah, they ran off the right side of the runway and then veered off to the left. Oh, he went right over the top of it, Scott. Good find. Yep. Switch over to F1, please. Engineering, can you change over to F1, please? Scott, can you change your radio in the back up there? Okay. Yeah, I can't. Air 30, were you calling? Yes, I can. Well, again, the first responders is massive. They're in numbers, which is, I guess, imaginable when you think of the scale of this accident here. What's just blowing my mind away is just the amount of flames, continued flames, from this accident, and the amount of black smoke from this Jet A fuel that's burning, the debris field. But there are still massive amounts of first responders coming to this area from every angle. Right now I'm flying right over the top of Outer Loop, and I see I don't know, multiple fire engines. It must be responding from throughout the county as they make their way down here. There's LNPD. I can see their blue lights all around here to probably close off the roads or help with traffic control to get these first responders in. And again, I know I mentioned it earlier, but please stay at home. Don't come down here and gawk. Let the first responders get in here. Let them try to get these flames under control. Let them get down here and assess the situation, and hopefully get to folks that are trapped or stuck down here in this area. Back to you guys. Yeah, I got you down there. I'm already at 1,700. 1700s. Paris Beach Chubby 2, what altitude are you showing me? Thank you. And we're just trying to do our job too. Then I move further out. Just ask me to stay outside of your orbit. You notice got all the powers out down here forward.
Okay, just hold on. So you know that because then there's white stuff. You said it was something that was above the bed.